Hi guys, good morning sa mga viewer, follower, and subscriber guys. Ganito guys ang buhay dito guys. Hanggat kaya mo gawin mo, construction worker. Aakyat pa ako ulit dito guys kasi ayan guys, rusty na guys. Yung rusty area is lagyan ko yan ng pintura. Ayan, rusty area. Right there, bago yan guys. Over there. And that area. This area lang eh. This is long time na. So nagkakaroon ng rusty. Palagyan ko ng pintura yan soon. We need to order in Home Depot. And today we work this area guys. Out of screw. Naubusan ng screw guys. Kaya right there hindi na screw ng ayos. Over there ilan lang yung nalagay ng we need to order again. Hindi ako nagbibideo guys habang naggagawa kasi ayaw ng asawa ko guys. Kaya pagkatapos na ng gawa saka ako mag-video. Bye guys.